Let's prepare on the TRB Polytechnic exam 2012 Civil Engineering question paper. Question 41 as per IS 3370 Part 2 2009 concrete structures for the storage of liquids. The permissible stress in steel reinforcement for the strength for high strength deformed bars is what? So here option B is the right answer, that is 130 Newton per mm square. 42. The torsional reinforcements for corners held down in the slabs are provided at where? So here it is to be provided at the discontinuous edges. Question number 43. The side face reinforcements is provided when the depth of the web of the beam exceeds 750 mm. So if this is in the case of RCC, but in the case of pre-stressed concretes, the side face reinforcement should be given when the depth is more than or exceeds 500 mm itself. Question number 44. The depth of the footing shall be calculated for what? So here it should be calculated for shear and checked for bending moment. Question number 45. As per IS 1172-1993 in the design of a water supply scheme for a town with full flushing system, minimum water supply for domestic water demand is what? So here option B 200 LPCD is the right answer. If it is with the partial flushing system, or generally if they ask means, it is 135 LPCD. Question number 46. The safe permissible limit of nitrates in domestic water supplies is what? So option C is the right answer, that is 45 ppm. If they asked for nitrite means it should be 0 only, okay? And 47. The settling velocity of inorganic particles in a sedimentation tank of a water treatment plant is governed by the Stokes law. The self-cleansing velocity for all the sewers in India is 1 meter per second to 1.2 meter per second. Question number 49. The relative stability of a sewage sample whose dissolved oxygen is same as the total oxygen required to satisfy the BOD is, then its relative stability is 100% because it is already having the dissolved oxygen in it, which is equal to the equal to the required oxygen to satisfy the BOD. So it is 100% stable. Question number 50. If a sewer carrying a discharge of 3 cubic outfalls into a river having a discharge of 10 cubic and DO equal to 9.1, then the resultant of the mix is what? So to find the resultant of the mix, we should have the Q value for both the mixes, that is if river and sewage means for both you should have Q and for both you should have DO. But here for sewage they have not given DO, and for sewage we know that the DO is very minimum, or mostly it will be 0 only. So in this question we will take the DO of the sewage is 0 and we will go for the calculation. So QR into DR, that is discharge of river into DO of river plus discharge of sewage into DO of sewage by QR plus QS will give you the D mix. Okay. So here the D mix will be equal to 10 into 9.1 plus 0. This whole term we are taking at 0 because DO of sewage is 0 by 10 plus 3. So it is 91 by 13. So 7 milligram per liter. So here option A is the right answer. Thank you and keep watching.